In this video, we will show you how to replace your master window switch on this Honda Accord. This will be mounted to your driver's side door panel. Let's get into it. Okay friend, let's get started on our job. The first thing we're going to do is make our way right along here to this little panel that goes around the window switch. Use a plastic trim tool so you don't damage anything. We'll get in between the door panel and this plastic trim panel and separate the two. Once you have that lifted up, we're going to remove the two wiring harnesses from this. As for the larger one, you'll find that you have a small push tab right where my index finger is. Go ahead and squeeze that in and separate this. After you have it separated, give it a quick check for corrosion. We'll make our way up to this upper one here. For this, there's another small squeeze tab. You know what to do. Squeeze it in and separate the piece. Now with that out of the door panel, we have a clear look at the back side of the window switch. You'll find that you have 4 Phillips head screws making their way around that are holding this in place. We'll remove all 4. There's 2 along this side and 2 along the opposite side. Inspect that hardware, replace it as necessary. Now you can remove the switch from the panel. There it is, friends. All right, let's get ready for the installation of our brand new master window switch. We'll take this and put it in place in the panel. It can only go in one way. You really can't mess that up. Continue on to each of your 4 mounting screws. We'll start them in and snug them up. Keep in mind you are screwing into plastic. You don't need to over-tighten these. Let's get this back in the vehicle. Let's reattach our master window switch here. Take that, slide it in. Listen for a click, give it a tug. We'll do the same for the larger connector down at the far end here. Get a nice click from that one. We'll carefully tuck this into the door, align it, and press it in. Okay friends, we showed you how to install the window switch on your vehicle. At this point, put the key in the on position and test the window functionality. Perfect. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.